Nobody knows the needs, sentiments, and pulse of townspeople and the masses in the inner city, the coastal communities, the barrios, and hinterlands more than grassroots leadership. A fact the president echoed and touted when he swore in 35 barangay and youth council leaders in Malacanang earlier today. Our Kenneth Paciente has more on the president's message to the newly minted leaders on the ground in this report.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. recognized the important role of barangay officials play in the oath-taking of the new elected officials of the Liga ng mga Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan National and Island Representatives. In the president's speech, he encouraged them to serve dutifully and honestly as they are the face
Huwag niyong iisipin yun. Dahil napakahalaga ng inyong trabaho. Napakahalaga ang ginagampanan ninyo na katungkulan para sa ating pagpaganda ng Pilipinas.
The president also pointed out that local officials have a great contribution to the development of national government plans because they know the needs of their constituents more than anyone else.
Nobody knows more about your barangay than you. That is why it is important that we listen to you. And we do. We will listen to you. And you tell us. Because ang lagi kong sinasabi, nung pumasok ako sa national politics, naging senador ako, lagi kong sinasabi sa mga kapwa-senador ko, makinig kayo sa mga lokal. Dahil ang dala nila, hindi naman problema lamang. Ang dala nila, may solusyon din yan eh.
He also recognized the SK officials for their role in these modern times.
Kung meron kayong nakikitang mas magandang pamamaraan, sabihin ninyo, isigaw ninyo. Wala, yung mga matatanda hindi makikinig sa inyo, pero pilitin ninyo. Hindi naman, lahat naman, pagka may pangyayari na ganyan, sasabihin, kung maganda ang naging resulta, anong masama doon? Kung hindi matagumpay, hindi magandang lumabas, hindi bale. Sige, next. Subukan natin ibang bagay. Subukan natin ibang sistema.
The president assured that the national government always listens to the local governments, especially the barangay officials, and assured to provide for their needs.
Hindi sasabihin, basta sinabi nyo, gagawin namin. Pero siyempre, that will be part. It will be part. The input that you give us will be part of our planning, will be part of how we move forward. Because dito sa area na ito, maraming lumapit sa akin na ganito, so alam ko na. Dito sa area naman to na iba, alam ko na. So paano natin paplanuhin na mabuti yan?
The president presided over the oath-taking of 31 newly elected officials of the Liga ng mga Barangay and 4 SK officials. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.